Would you be inclined to change your practice?
I actually think it was good enough for the second years. I've kind of got, they're a really good class, like, and they're nice, and I think they benefited from it hugely because it was revision, but it was not reading off the definitions again, but it was a case of kind of a vehicle to revise. Like, you got to do an experiment, but then you got to ask the questions while you were doing it, and it kind of cemented stuff that, like, when we were doing the old practical experiments, it was boring. I was sick of it, they were sick of it, so we moved on. And like, I think 90% of the class had it, like, so it was comfortable enough for that. But then going back over, I think cemented it for the other 10% that were left. But then the other guys then got a great sense of confidence from it, like that. They were able to use it and apply it to different scenarios.
So they can apply it now, which is a great way of doing it. So you feel that your practice in the classroom would be slightly different. If you're going at this again next year, do you think you would have changed the way you go about it now?
I think there was a good reward from doing it. Like, you know, the first class went well, like, you know, so it was kind of like, well, that went okay, like, so I'll have a go with that again. Whereas I think so long as you've a good experience each time, you will use it again. Like, I would have no problem setting it up there the next day and going off. But it's just the initial, just saying, right, then I'm going to do this today, rather than saying, I'll just get out the box.
It's just the experience of it. You need to do it a few times to kind of gain that experience and feel confident. And you kind of need confidence when you're going to be teaching something. You need to be confident in yourself, kind of about it. So that's what I would feel like taking from it. But next year now, you know, you would be more up for it.